A cautionary tale about COVID-19, courtesy of a physician who was recently vaccinated.
Yeah, despite getting the first of 2 shots, that doctor still contracted the virus. Action News' Gray Hall live now at the Satellite Center with what that doctor wants all of us to know, Gray.
Hey, Brian and Shari, as a frontline worker, this doctor, of course, one of the first ones to receive the vaccine. Outside of some side effects, he said he was okay. That is until he contracted COVID-19. His message is that the vaccine is not a cure.
About 9-10 days after getting the first dose of vaccine, I started to feel sick again. Fever, chills, headache, sore throat, cough, some shortness of breath.
Dr. Tarogi says despite getting the first of a 2-dose vaccine, he was now a COVID-19 patient.
I've been treating COVID patients for about a year and I didn't get sick. And now, right after getting the vaccine, it's a little, ironic and unusual. So I had myself tested and unfortunately it came back positive.
Dr. Tarogi, who also operates this YouTube page called Chatterdocs, where he discusses medical issues like COVID, calls his experience an unfortunate coincidence. Action News reached out to the Pennsylvania Department of Health about the effectiveness of the vaccine. And it says one of the most important things for Pennsylvanians to remember regarding the COVID-19 vaccine is that it is not a cure for the virus. It is simply another tool in our tool belt, and we must continue mitigating efforts like hand washing, social distancing, and wearing a mask.
People should definitely not lose hope or trust in this vaccine. In the world of medicine, nothing is 0-1, nothing is 100% or 0%. Everything is kind of living in the limbo.
Medical experts say keep in mind that the first vaccine shot gives you 50% immunity, which doesn't kick in for a week with the Pfizer vaccine and 2 weeks with the Moderna vaccine. That second dose then brings immunity to at least 90%.
It's not a cure, it's not a magic wand, and it's not make COVID just disappear just like that. So it's very important for us to all get the vaccine, but at the same time, stay very vigilant.
All right, so bottom line here, we still have to all do our part so we make sure that we are safe. Also, Dr. Tarogi saying that he will be in quarantine for the first several days of 2021. Live in the Satellite Center, Gray Hall, Channel 6 Action News. Shari?
All right.